Okay, for this video, for this class, the topic is according to our syllabus, it's going to be Anatomy 2. Anatomy 1 was supposed to be, or was, the external parts of the body, right? Like head, parts of the head and the face, neck, and then all the way down on the body, right? External parts of the body. I will send you the information about that, even though you already have it. I remember that I gave you that information before. It was a Tarzan drawing in which you have to name all the parts of the body in the Tarzan body, right? Okay. Well, in this one, which is Anatomy 2, we are going to see the different parts of the body. But in this case, they are not going to be the external ones because we already know it, right? What we are going to do is that we are going to see and we're going to learn some of the internal organs that are into the body, right? Yeah, those things that are inside and that are very important to keep healthy in order to be okay, right? And to be a normal person, right? Okay? And a healthy person, right? Mostly in this times that we're living right now, right? I don't want to write down that information here because it's going to be a lot, and I'm just going to send you that information through the WhatsApp application, via direct messages to you. I have the pictures and I have everything. If you have any questions, just let me know that information through the WhatsApp, and I will help you. If you want information about, if you want help with the pronunciation or with the spelling or with any other thing, remember that we are going to have homework assignment, okay? You have to watch these videos, right? You have to watch these videos 1 or 2 times, not during the same day, right? Because you're going to get tired of listening to me. But I want you to listen and watch it one time today, and then next day you can do it again, right? So you are going to notice different things, and then you can start asking me questions. You can send all the questions that you want, or you can call me via WhatsApp, or we can have, I don't know, we cannot meet because of the things, but you can ask me anytime you want, okay? So that's it. Remember, we are going to see the internal parts of the body. I guess that you already know some of them, like the one that is inside your head. What is it? It's brain. That's correct. What about the one that pumps blood through all your body? Yeah, that one that has a very beautiful shape, right? Yeah, the one that beats a lot when you see the person that you love, or when you see your mom. That's correct. That's the heart. What about the other one? The big bag that expands when you eat a lot, when you eat a lot of chicken wings, or when you eat a lot of tacos. That's correct. Or when you're hungry, it rumbles. That's correct. It's the one, the big one. That's the stomach. CH at the end. That CH sounds like a K, right? Like it has a K sound. It's like K, right? Stomach, right? Then we have the other thing that, if I'm not wrong, if my anatomy studies are correct, is the one that we have here in this part. I don't know what is the height of that, but it's in this part. It's in the right part of the body. That's the one that gets damaged if you drink too much alcohol, right? Like a lot of alcohol, it can get damaged, or it can get damaged because of other conditions, right? Or other diseases. But mostly it's going to get damaged if you drink a lot of alcohol, or if you ingest a lot of medicines and that part of the body doesn't process it properly, right? Yes, that's correct. It's the liver. Liver, L-I-V-E-R, I'm sorry for the spelling, right? Liver. We also eat liver from the cattle, from the cows, okay? It's kind of delicious if you do it in the barbecue, right? Then we have another thing, the appendicitis, that little thing that I don't know what is it good for. The only thing that it's good for, I think, it's to explode and to make us feel ill and to take us directly to the emergency room, right? Yeah, the appendicitis. Then we have the large intestine and we have the small intestine, right? Then we have another thing that it's here, that if you remember in the science classes in the school, it had a shape of a leaf and we used to color it in green. I don't know why, right? But it was here, or it is supposed to be here, and that is called the pancreas. That's a very important organ, right? Without it, we're doomed. Then there is another one that is next to it or in this same part, which is the spleen, S-P-L-E-E-N. I guess that we have known, heard about it, but nobody has told us the information about it. So check it, because you will have to make a presentation about the internal organs. So you choose one. You choose the heart. You have to talk about the heart, how it functions, the components or the things that are there in the heart, and what it does for us in the body. That's going to be your homework assignment. And in this case, you will have to speak about any of the internal organs that exist in the body, okay? Then another thing that we have, it's the, this is very important too. It's a little thing, some students call it, or what can I tell you? They remember it with this sign or movement, right? It's the little thing, right? You know who you are, right, doctors? So it's the gallbladder. The gallbladder, it's a little thing that it's next to or very close to the liver, and that it segregates or it releases some liquid when we are angry, if I'm not wrong, right? Or for other things, right? It's green, and that's very important too. That's the gallbladder. In other words, it's or let's say it in Spanish, it's the vesícula biliar, okay? And another internal organ, well, we have to check a lot of them, right? But those are like the most important that we can talk about, and then we can make very good presentations, right? So choose one of them, and I'm going to send you all the guidelines that you have to follow in order to make a presentation. Remember that in this case we cannot meet, so everything is going to be via video, or it's going to be sent via email, right? So, but for these presentations, you will have to make a video. Like this one, like the ones that I've been doing for you, you will have to send me one. And your friends will have to see it, because it's important, okay? So, see you next time. Bye.